The SYM Wolf CR300i emerges as a compelling and stylish contender in the modern classic motorcycles segment, offering a blend of retro-inspired aesthetics with contemporary performance and reliability. This motorcycle isn't just about evoking nostalgia, it's about providing a balanced and enjoyable riding experience, whether navigating urban landscapes or carving through scenic routes. The design of the SYM Wolf CR300i is a clear homage to the classic café racers of the past, characterized by its low-slung profile, clip-on handlebars, and a minimalist approach to bodywork. The sculpted fuel tank, often featuring a retro-inspired design with knee recesses, flows gracefully into the solo seat with a distinctive rear cowl, further enhancing its café racer silhouette. Powering the SYM Wolf CR300i is a modern, liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine, typically displacing around 278 cubic centimeters. This engine configuration provides a good balance of performance and fuel efficiency, making it well-suited for both urban commuting and spirited weekend rides. The chassis and suspension of the SYM Wolf CR300i are engineered to provide a comfortable yet capable riding experience. Typically featuring a steel frame, the Wolf CR300i benefits from a design that promotes stability and predictable handling. In terms of technology, the SYM Wolf CR300i typically features a modern digital instrument panel that provides riders with essential information such as speed, RPM, fuel level, gear position, and trip data in a clear and easily readable format. The SYM Wolf CR300i strategically positions itself in the market as an affordable yet stylish modern classic motorcycle. It appeals to riders who are drawn to the café racer aesthetic but want a reliable and user-friendly machine for everyday riding.